We are at Capitol Reef National Park. We're just taking a 3.5-mile hike. That's our campground down below. This is so pretty. Yeah. Quite chilly. The wind's blowing a little bit. It's supposed to be about 50 degrees today. We came down to finish our passports. Our state passports. Zoom back out now. Going. Oh, here come some people down. Where'd they go? Going right up to the top. You get a picture of all these holes in these rocks. Pretty little narrow canyon. Oh, no echo. Here we are on the tippy top. Up and down. It's fruited down below.
This isn't really fruity, is it?
Mm-hmm.
I thought fruity was south of Torrey.
Just looking off the other way. The road way down below.
Here. It's windy up here.
Yeah, it is. Where's motorhomes go?
I don't know where you cross the river down
By those motorhomes. Ooh, it's going to blow us off. Oh, there we are. River. Phew, that makes me dizzy. We're just right here on top of this little flat mesa. Come up quite a way. Beautiful country. See if I can get the airplane. Can you hear it? Probably up above the clouds. Oh, he's gone. We just came out of the quarter-mile wash. We're down off the mountain. Here's the little campground. Fruta campground in Capitol Reef. Have orchards here. You can pick and eat all the fruit you want while you're in the orchard But if you take fruit out of the orchard, then you must pay for it. Fruit season's probably gone about now. That is where we hiked. Clear up on the top of there. We're taking the auto tour now. This is the Grand Wash area. Look at the colors. This is where you start the Cassidy Arch Trail. It goes and climbs up to the top of the started. Neat little shaped rock. Type of rock. Stances are ugly, but they're different. Let's see. Quite interesting. The opening of deer hunting. Look where they all are. Right here in Capitol Reef. Looks like they're eating apples under the orchards here. Hello! Don't see any daddies. Okay, wait just a minute. Okay. We're in Green River now, at the site of the old cemetery for Daniel Sinclair and Susanna Catherine Nell. Okay, Stan's going to read the dates.
Susanna C. November 24, 1855, died July 20, 1931. Daniel S. born May 3, 1849. Died December 29. Lived a long time after he did.
Yeah, she did. Boy, this is a barren little cemetery out here. Type cemetery. They do have a new one in town. Now we're at Aunt Eunice's old house. Somebody has bought it. It's in Green River. This has been the prettiest sky. I don't know if that's going to show up so pretty or not. Ooh, this is brilliant. About 5:15. and get over here and see if I can get the mountains with the snow on. South Africa sunsets. Christmas, December 1996. The night before Christmas. Lots of packages. Look how cute I did the little dolls that Joanne gave us last year. That's the little doll that Sister Welch gave me when we quit primary. We had to put more packages down under the table. Plus I mailed all the packages to Jim and John and Jerry and picked Shelley's up yesterday. Little soldier. Got an outlet there. There's meat. Cookie. Behind the chair. That's Jenny's Afghan. Horse lamp. I did my Christmas village a little differently this year.
What?
I was just talking about my little Christmas village, that I did it differently this year.
Oh.
Santa's there. Is reindeer there? I don't know if his reindeer's fallen down. I'll have to put it back on. Mm-hmm.
Did you get our stuff? I just put it on the list down there. We're supposed to have a tag on it. Okay, thanks.
Pretty steep hill. I don't know if those little cars can make it up there or not. Yeah. Okay, this is Christmas. Here we are. Everybody's here. We just eaten. We gotta have our. Next year he won't be here with us.
Good things for you. For gasps. Nice, brother.
London.
It's Christmas.
Oh yes, he's got it. Show up your. Have you got yours unwrapped? Yeah. Let me zoom in on that. That's cute. I didn't get a picture of those. Alas. These are all full now. They're all relaxing. Do you want me to put that in the microwave, Rowan?
Yes.
I just had to get around here to take her. Come in.
Hi.
Hi.
She is getting so good.
We're recording.
Recording? Okay. These are our holiday.
Wait, I'm not too.
Cleaver and Donna Reed and I Love Lucy.
2, 1.
Rolling. Okay. January, you start the year out right. February, you're a little Valentine. March, I'm gonna march you down the aisle. April, you're the Easter bunny when you smile. I got April. Yep, you do.
You're mad.
Oh, then we gotta go. My heart's in a whirl. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, now we gotta start.
Valentine girl.
This is crazy. Maybe if I'll ask your dad and mom if I could take you to the junior prom. July, you're the firecrackers when you blow.
That got her good.
August, you're the fish in my eye. Yeah.
September, you're the apple of my
Oh,
eye.
yeah, go back to school. October, you're so scary.
Grandma, you're scary.
November, thankful for you. And you're the present neath my Christmas tree. December. Are you in a hurry to get out of here? You're the present neath my Christmas tree. Yeah. The heart's in the world. 'Cause love a little calendar girl.
Wow! Grandma!
Oh my God. Sing it again like that. That was crazy.
My grandma. That's my granny. She is a funny lady. Right there. Granny. Funny lady.
That was cute.
Put your intro on.
Yeah, put your intro on. Pretty good, huh? Okay, here we go. Here's Jenny.
Hey, Dad, here's your snake. I'm gonna plug for the camera. Right here, Dad. Dad,
Did you do like those Irish people?
Dad, it's right here on the Dad. Really high. Dad.
Okay, let me stand back just a little bit so I get your feet as well as yours.
You got my feet?
Oh, now the table's... Okay. I'll get your feet and I'll get your head. Here we go.
No, wait.
Okay, yeah, let's beat on the stage. Okay. There!
Grandma, you need to take one of me.
I will. Can you tell Grandma hi? Say hi, Grandma. He's been so sick. Poor baby.
Has blue eyes just like you.
Uh-huh.
What are you eating? Did you have a good Christmas?
Mhm.
What'd you get?
Clothes and makeup and CD and a new car and we got a new engine on it. Did they tell you the story about that? Oh, okay. We took it Christmas Day out to Huntsman's parking lot, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and Austin rode it first. And the gas thing, it like fell off or something, so he just was going full speed and he couldn't stop because there's no brake on it,
Oh.
and it was all icy anyways, and so he was just like screaming, and he was just like zooming past everything, and he like finally like stopped. He was almost to run around into this big snowbank, you know, so he could stop, but he finally did, and then he got off. It was so scary. And it was so funny. And then we went home to get this little piece of wire, you know, to tie on it so that you could like push the gas with it or something. Y'all sit up here? Anyways, and then Sally got on it. And if you wanted to go, you know, you had to pull the wire out. And if you didn't, you put it back. No, this is fine. And she went over a speed bump and she went flying so high, and she lost the wire, so she just kept going because she didn't have the wire to stop her. And then she was like, and there were like 3 cars in the parking lot, and she was like about 5 feet away from one of a car, and she started doing donuts all over, and she could not stop. And so me and my dad, we were like running after her. She was so close to hitting this one car.
Baby go bye-bye and Bobby.
Baby go bye-bye in a Barney backpack.
And lipstick and fingernail polish.
And how long are you going to stay here at Grandma and Grandpa's house?
For 5 days.
5 days. That'd be so cool, huh?
And I went on the go-kart with my daddy.
You didn't crash though?
Uh-uh.
Okay, I gotta go check this waffle, okay? Say goodbye. Yeah. Hi, monkey. Do something.
What?
Do something.
Oh, 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 oh! I picked a banana off the tree. Wait, get down now. It's Brooklyn's turn.
Okay, here's Carly in the tree. It is cold out here, guys. Yeah. Today's the first big snow of the year. It's January 12th. It is so pretty out here. Looks like our roof heaters are working.
9 inches on the fence.
Oh, is it really? 9 inches on the fence, Ken says. I'll just pan down our street here. That is so pretty. That's the 9 inches, Stan says. On the fence. That's the Catholic churches playing the music. Isn't that pretty? Christmas music, that's appropriate. Look at the wires. Starting to dance. It should start to come on. Touch those icicles. We're just getting ready to go sledding.
Oh!
Look at those icicles, how big they are.
Oh!
It has been so cold. We'll just take a scan around the village here. Okay, go hop in the car. We're just ready to go sledding. Right.
There we go, Cotton. Someone's driving, huh? Come on, Cotton, over here.
You need to stay where it's packed, guys. Okay, ready to go.
Ready, get set, go.
Whee! There they go.
Get by me, brother. Come up the side, Cotton.
You make it? Yeah. Okay, here goes Whitney, Haley, and Brooklyn. Woo! Hang on, guys! Woo! No hands! She made it! Okay, here goes Austin on his... Whoops, you died.
Oh, wait, fine, let's go at the same time. Huh? Let's go at the same time.
Okay, that would be fun. Got you in focus. Where you go? Austin and Sally on there. Do you need a push?
No.
Just go with your hands. Okay. Ready? Ready? Gonna have a race. Oh, Sally's ahead. Hurry, Austin. Catch up. There they go. Whoops. Sally wiped out.
My eyes hurt.
Whitney and Brooklyn all by themselves. Whee! Where they're going far. Woo, they went way down there.
I thought Brooklyn didn't like it. She was crying.
Oh, Brooklyn, you didn't cry when you went sledding, did you?
Yeah, no, she did.
I'll race it down.
Sally's the winner. This is a sleigh. And two kids on plastic bags, and they kind of came apart.
When I get it, do you want me to go down those walls?
Okay, ready? Here.
There she goes.
Get that kid.
Woo! Way to go, Whit!
Do you want Haley to go with us in the back? Come on.
Hi! Hi! Oh. Shoot, the only spill and I didn't get it. Get up and laugh. Yeah, they're kind of walking up the wrong way. There you go.
Get up, Cotton. Don't get on there yet. Up on. Up on. Up on.
Want me to push you?
Oh, he's going off the jump. Whee! Whoops. Hang on. The only fall down, and I didn't get it. That was good, Brookie. Was that fun? You like it, huh?
I think that's fun going by yourself.
Did you like that?
Okay, Haley's gonna come behind us. Sit on our left.
So hot. Yeah, it really warms you up, doesn't it?
I'm gonna go down the hill.
You're going to go over on the bumps? Okay.
Wait, I just need my coat pulled off.
Oh.
Sex off.
Do you want to go with us and down the bumps?
No. She's gonna come with us first.
Oh, I see. You're going to go with Haley, huh? Oh, that'll be cool.
So fun.
You got it, Cotton. You got to get it.
How did we fall? I was like leaning on Haley when we went backwards.
Just hang it up here on the coat. Oh, okay. Yeah, that should be okay. Let me take your picture, though. Wait just a minute. Okay, anytime. Sorry about all those recordings.
Okay, ready?
When we're ready. Are you ready? This is the bumpy side. Oh, he missed him.
Snow down me.
Just choker. Okay, now this is going to be a sight. On your mark.
I can't. Just try. Ready? Hey, now, just a second.
Whitney, you hold on. Whitney, you hold on to Sally. There.
Here, what do you got around my neck so I can breathe? No, could you hold on to my feet? No, I'm holding on to my crossing fingers. Here, Rit, sit right here. Put your other one in here. No, my shoes are off. Well, you can just take your shoes off anyway.
Oh, such a trial. Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Well, my feet are going to weigh us down. Oh my goodness. They're slight. You guys already are.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now see if I can give Haley a push. We're picking up speed. Yeah, here we go. Hang on.